Hi, in this video we will cover what is PMI Adoption Index, how the index is measured, and how to use the index dashboard. PMI Adoption Index measures your resource and productivity management skills. The score indicates how well your productivity management skills and habits are according to best practice. This is a tool that can really guide you on how to effectively manage your resources, which will help lead to optimal staffing, reduced waste, without affecting the customer experience. So, how is the index measured? Each department has an individual index score specific to their relevant tasks in PMI. The score follows a scale from 1 to 10. A score of 8 out of 10 is considered good and 8.5 or more is great. The score is updated daily each morning to reflect yesterday's activities completed. The landing page shows the property score. Click on the widget to view your department's most recent score, and here you can see the index dashboard. Below you can view your average score for the last 7 days compared to the same period last year and compared to your peers. You can also review the score at a property or chain level, depending on access rights. You can view a list of all departments and can filter by division. The tiles indicate the collective result of all departments. For more details and actions to be taken, view the individual department's dashboards. The quick tip highlights the most impactful things you can do today to improve your department's score. Click Learn More to view a detailed explanation. Then click the link to go to the relevant page in PMI to take action. The measurement points that make up the index score are grouped according to the Adaptive Resource Management or ARM framework. This has 5 steps: plan, set goals and expectations for the coming period, do, continuously work to implement the plan, monitor, review the current situation daily and compare to the original plan, evaluate and learn, identify areas for improvements, and adjust, adapt to changes and implement improvements found at previous stages. To learn more about the ARM framework, click on a question mark and follow the relevant link. View these tiles to understand what areas of resource management you should focus on to further improve your score. The points show the breakdown of your total index score. The sum of all the total points for the 5 steps is 100, which is equivalent to an index score of 10 out of 10. In this example, I can see that the do section makes up 43.6% of my total score. You can then check how you are doing from the actual points earned, which for the do section is 14.4. The red tiles indicate a score of below 5 for that step. Amber is between 5.1 and 8, and green is above 8. Click on a tile to view all measurements within that ARM step. The points are also further broken down per measurement. Click Show More for details on exactly what this measurement is, why is it important, and how to improve. Click the link to view the relevant place in PMI and take action. This will open in a new tab. Then we have the graphs. The organization overview shows all departments within a property. The width of the bar shows the weighting or the impact of that department on the total property score. A department with more revenue and more hours will have a greater impact on the overall score. The color and height of the bars indicate the index score. Click on a bar to view their dashboard. The PMI index trend graph shows how your score has changed over time. You can view monthly or yearly. For more details, click the question marks on the screen or view our knowledge base article. Thank you and take care.